Hello everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I am going to introduce newly launched SciSpace SLR Agent, which is specifically designed for systematic literature reviews. Unlike ChatGPT and other AI tools which are limited to screening and summarizing, but this agent runs a fully customizable Prisma compliant systematic review across 3000 plus papers in under 60 minutes. If you are new to SciSpace, let me introduce SciSpace's all-in-one AI platform, which is specifically designed for researchers and academicians. It helps with paper discovery, literature review, paper analysis, manuscript writing, citations, all in one single platform. Without wasting the time, let me initiate a query. Conduct SLR on green HRM and imply outcomes. While writing a prompt, it is very important to mention these words SLR or systematic literature review so that it will activate SLR subagent. So let me just execute it. Plan is executing. At the very beginning, it has provided us the Pico research questions so that we can just review, and if we feel there is something that we need to add in these research questions, we can edit them according to our requirements. And we can also add more research questions as well. By the way, it allows us to add up to 10 research questions at this stage. So once we are fine with these research questions, we can just move on to continue to next step. The next step is screening criteria generation. In this step, it has provided us the exclusion and inclusion criteria based on our Pico questions. We can also make edits based on our requirements. So in fact, it provides you the full control on all the steps that it is using in conducting SLR. So if we are fine with these criteria, we can simply click this continue to next step. Once the inclusion and exclusion criteria have been updated, next it will start screening the papers. First, we can specify the search coverage. We can extend it up to 3000 papers. Let in this example use the 1000 papers. We can also choose the databases. We can specify which databases we want to use for SLR. For example, we can use the database of SciSpace, our library, and we can also use Google Scholar and PubMed. In the end, we can specify period of publication. Let's say we can use past 5-year papers. After specifying these elements, we can simply click this confirm and start SLR. Based on the set criteria, it starts searching the articles across all databases. First, it has combined and re-ranked all the results based on our criteria. Here are the combined and re-ranked results, and this table will tell you why these 308 papers have been selected based on the relevance score, and as well as it will provide you the reasoning to include these papers. Once you are done with combining and re-ranking, next it will start screening based on 3 criteria: title, abstract, and full text. Based on title and abstract screening, it has accepted 215 papers, while 93 papers were excluded. Here you can see the cutoff value, which is equal and greater than 4. Here you can see the score of each of the paper, and here you can see the reasoning. After title and abstract screening, there is full text screening. So based on full text screening, 206 papers were selected, while 9 papers were excluded. Here are all the details. Here you can see for some of the articles there is no score. So these are those papers for which PDF is not available. This is how the screening takes place. We were started with 1000 articles, but after screening through different steps, we were able to have only 206 papers. Once we are done with the screening, next we will be able to extract the structured data from the final included papers. And finally, we are able to generate the Prisma flow diagram and as well as the complete SLR report. So this is the Prisma diagram, which is very well structured, and it is also created by SciSpace Agent. And finally, we have this systematic literature review on green HRM and imply outcomes. If you want to write any systematic literature review on a specific topic, so it may take days or even months to complete your SLR, but by using SciSpace, you can complete within 1 hour. So this you can see, here is the detailed SLR with the complete referencing list. In addition to SciSpace usage for academic writing, SciSpace have some additional skills like clinical trial search, web search, grant research skills, presentation generations, and finally website generation skills. So these are the all amazing tasks that you can perform by using this SciSpace. If you want to try these updates, use the link which is given in the description of the video, and also do not forget to use the discounted coupon code. In terms of pricing, it is recommended to go with maximum plan that will give you 40,000 monthly credit. It has some additional benefits like priority support and as well as priority access to new features. So I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.